Okay, I had an interruption at the end of the last video, so I'm having to put this one on a separate video. I apologize. Number 4, this is page 73 in the exercise book. Which table of values represents y equals negative x plus 2? Now, you can just start substituting the points into your equation. That's fine. But I want to eliminate some if possible. So let me take the equation. Y equals negative x plus 2. This is slope-intercept form. So if you put in your ghost 1 there, we can tell that the slope is negative 1 and that the y-intercept is at 0, 2. Okay, because remember baby B is right there. So, with that in mind, I'm going to look for one of these tables that has this as one of the points. So I see it right here in B. I see it in D. And I see it in E. Now in C, we have the 0, but we have a negative 2. So that cannot be the answer. We need a 0 and a positive 2. So we can eliminate C. A, I may or may not be able to eliminate because we can't see 0 in A. So we're going to have to test the remaining 4. Now I'm going to start with B, D, and E because I know those are possibilities. A may or may not be. So here is B. Here's the equation. Y equals negative x plus 2. And before we do the work, let me just check that, and that's right. Okay, in B, we have 2 equals negative 0 plus 2. We know that's one of the points. 2 equals 2. That one checks out, so let's just put a check mark by that one. Okay, let's check the second one, where y is negative x plus 2. We're substituting a 3 for the y and a negative 1 plus 2. That is not true. So B is not the answer. We can eliminate option B. We've tested it. It did not work. Now, I've already tested 0, 2. We know that works. So with D, let's check the other points and see what happens. So we have our equation. And we're substituting 3 equals negative 1 plus 2. That is true. So that point checks. We know that point checks. Let's see if this point checks. 1 equals negative 1 plus 2. And sure enough, there it is. So D is the answer we're looking for. You can check E if you want to, but since there's only one possibility for this answer, which table, singular, once you find it, I would stop on this one because it's just a lot of work. But if you want to check it, you certainly can. It's good practice if you feel like you need more practice.